Hey guys, it's your boy CryptoManiac with a new market update starting with BTC. So as you can see, BTC is trading at range high and we got this nice pump at weekly open. So for now, not looking for any shorts or longs. This whole block is a short area, 22.8 to 23k, but be cautious as this can go straight pump into this resistance, and a lot of people longing here, and then you can look for a sweep of these highs for short. Or if you want to be on the safe side, just wait for some exhaustion, come back and short the retest, bearish retest here if you want to be on the safe side. For any longs above range high, you want to see clear acceptance above the range. So as you know, we have traded a lot of times during the past few months above range highs, but only we got these deviations. So please don't get caught into longing range high, FOMO into range high, and then we're going to see a mean reversion with you getting caught and stopped. So that's not what you want to see. You want to see clear acceptance above the range high. What do I mean with clear acceptance? So either we see high volume of buys coming into and breaking this resistance with high conviction, or you're going to see a retest of this level, so maybe going in up to 24.3 without giving a retest of this whole block here, front running this block, and then go long. But for any clear break, you don't want to see a break and then coming back into this range, as this is what we did for the last few times. Break, exhaustion, back into, got this bearish retest on a low time frame. Same with here, break, exhaustion, back into range, bearish retest. So that's what we are going to look for any short. If we see some clear trend reversal here on BTC, as I said, we want to see the clear break here above the range high, come back, retest some levels here, 23k, and then everything above 23 could send us to 28.5. That's where you want to look for taking profits, especially if you got this long here. For this will be a swing long for me, so if I see the acceptance above the range high, it's a swing long for me. Other than that, as I said, I will short if I get that sweep or the bearish retest back into the range. That's the plan for BTC. Not doing anything until that doesn't make sense. So that's the plan. And just for instance, that's the weekly open from last week. Got that retest and then got the pump. Got this open drive into the new day. So for now it's a trend day, and I don't want to see trading back into these levels for any continuations. A small, not exhaustion, but small consolidation, and then pump into above this range high. If you want to see clear trend reversal and continuation, that's the plan for BTC. And for any mean reversion, if you got the bearish retest, my targets will be the monthly open at 99, and then finally the snake block and take out these lows. ETH looking way better than BTC, way stronger. So as you can see, ETH broke the range. As I said, range breaks don't typically give these perfect retest. For now it's this 1280 level, didn't give the retest, got this consolidation during the weekend, and then the pump continued with the open drive with today's weekly open. So compared to previous ranges, way stronger. As you can see, these ranges, we've got these lower highs and then the dump, but for now we had these equal highs and then broke above it. So ETH looking good overall, no clear level, strong resistance levels till 1700, except here we got our level at 1550. So that's where I expect the first rejection, and then any longs or retest levels, I want to see 1380 to hold. That's the first area I want to see to hold. Below that, ultimately for now the higher time frame is this 1280 level to hold. Everything below that, I'm going to look for that bearish retest and a mean reversion, take profit at 1160, and after that we're going to see where got some levels like 1080 has been a good level. And for any asking why we got that pump, we were at near, not really range lows, but we didn't fill this huge gap here, not gap, I meant a wick here. So this has been quite our low here, this 1k level, quite front run this 990 level, and nothing to wear. Still had the chance to long the acceptance above 1030. To be honest, I did long above 1280, but on a low time frame, so I did close my long after 5%. Quick bounce here. Didn't think we were going to see this huge pump till 1.5, but we did. So for any longs, I will be waiting to get in retest at 1280. That's my plan. Don't FOMO, please. You had your buys areas, and now these aren't buy areas after a nearly, let's see, 50% pump. So that doesn't make sense to long here or buy even spot now. There's no common sense in that. So please don't FOMO into and just wait for any retest levels. As I said, clear strong level is this 1700 area. Should and definitely reject. So looking for a swing shot at this area. And that's the plan for ETH. As you can see, ETH has been outperforming a lot of coins, especially BTC. ETH BTC got this not kind of deviation on this higher time frame chart, in not a perfect range, but you can see ETH BTC hasn't been doing much, and now we got this strong outperforming of BTC with a 20% higher pump of ETH BTC. So the level you want to see is 0.72 exactly. So that's where you want to see BTC performing better. Maybe it will be during the downside movement once again, but that's the plan. Looking at Solana, also at range high like BTC. Not looking too long here. I'm currently short on the Solana with a tight stop above these highs here. So maybe also looking for some deviation here. Very longs, as I said, acceptance clear above this 42.5 level, and then we still got a strong resistance level here at 48. So compared to ETH, there are strong levels ahead of us. So mainly trading ETH would make sense, unless we get above the 60 area, then it's 80 clear. When it's short, maybe a deviation back into the range, get that bearish retest, mean reversion, and I'm looking for this 36.5 area. And the last coin I will be looking at is BNB, same as ETH, broke above this range high. And now didn't get that perfect retest, but compared to ETH, we did get a retest and then open drive, nice pump. So any stronger resistance levels for now, this whole block here, so this 290 level, 90 to 95, This could be a nice target if you got this long here. And once again, looking 245 to hold back into a range, bearish retest, and looking for a reversion to at least 216. And that's the plan for BNB. Last but not least, looking at stocks, ES also pumping, got this nice pump into weekly open, looking for this high once again, tagged here twice, and now looking once again for this 390.50 level. Above that, it's this whole supply block at 4020.30, should reject here, and then maybe going to retest below here. It's back to these lows once again above this level, and we are nicely looking to test this whole block here. So that's the plan for ES, but mainly now looking as crypto ads more important for me for now, as it's been looking good, especially ETH. So you want to mainly focus on ETH now and BTC. If BTC rejects the range high, you can expect that everything will dump with it. Exactly, and there's still one thing I want to show you. It's the Nasdaq, because it's reaching also this range high, or at least this size here, also for the third time. So really important level. Look for a rejection here above here, and we got this whole block here once again. Maybe going to retest these levels here. So got this 12,500 level, but for now I think we are going to reject here and at least test this level here at 12k. So these are the plans and confidence you can get across the board. Watch out for everything at important levels, and please don't FOMO, no time too long right now. That's my advice for now. Just watch how today is going to develop, and then tomorrow or the day after you can start taking trades with conviction. That's it with the update. Thanks for tuning in.